Hello, I'm Kyle Bradshaw from Chaparral Motorsports, and today I would like to introduce you to the TG Venus from Tire Guider. This is the perfect OEM replacement for a Kawasaki Mule. If you're running a 10-inch wheel on a vehicle that traverses either hard pack, asphalt, or turf, this TG Venus tire from Tire Guider is a perfect candidate for your vehicle. This tire comes in a 23-11-10, a 24-9-10, and a 24-11-10. If those are the tire sizes that you run on your vehicle and you traverse on turf, this tire is fantastic at giving you traction without tearing up the grass. Conversely, if you drive on hard pack or asphalt, concrete, things of that nature, this is a very, very smooth running tire that stops extremely well on wet surfaces. So what you're going to get with this tire is a 6-ply construction with a multi-directional tread pattern. What that's going to mean is this sidewall is going to be extremely stiff. It's going to be perfect for traveling on turf or hard pack or even asphalt. What's going to happen here on the tread pattern itself is you're going to have long strips down the center that's going to be able to keep you from sliding side to side. Conversely, these more horizontal lines are going to give you great traction moving forward. In addition to being made specifically for the Kawasaki Mule as an OEM replacement, we've got lots of customers that ride Dixie Choppers, and this is their tire of choice. This tire gives them optimum traction without tearing up the turf behind them. In addition to being great on turf, this is also a great all-around tire. Handles gravel roads well, hard pack, or even cement or asphalt. This TG Venus tire is a great tire if you run a Kawasaki Mule, Dixie Chopper, or anything with a 10-inch wheel. Now this TG Venus tire is very comparable to the Duro DI-K968. That tire has lots of the same properties that this tire has, a very similar tread pattern, but the price is almost double. I'm Kyle Bradshaw from Chaparral Motorsports. Until next time, take care and ride safe.